I'm going to be turning this dress into a two-piece. First, cut it. Measure an elastic to the size of your waist, and then cut it. Let's work on the skirt first. I'm going to use sewing clips to hold fabric in place, but feel free to use pins. Fold the fabric about 1 centimeter from where you cut, and then sew to prevent fraying. Measure the width of your elastic and fold the top down. Make sure to have enough room so that the elastic can fit comfortably. Make sure to leave an open space for the elastic. For the elastic, use a safety pin to help feed it into the skirt. Feed the elastic into the open space. Sew the two ends of the elastic together. Finish sewing the top of the skirt. Now for the top. The back of the top was split, so I'm going to sew it together. Instead of folding down like the skirt, I'm going to sew along the raw hem with a zigzag stitch. I'm cutting the bottom of the top for a cleaner look. All done.